NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
No.
No.
What should we play? Oh, I think this is David and David, swallowed by the cracks.
I once was a dancer, I was young once like you, though I know I don't look it. I jumped high as the sky, had fire in my eyes, and legs like a stallion. And I had a girl and I loved her. My best friend was her brother. We were on top of the mountain that summer, thought we'd never be swallowed by the cracks, falling so far down, like the rest of those clowns begging bus fare back. Swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks, swallowed by the cracks. We've been swallowed by the cracks.
Swallowed by the cracks.
We talk all night about what we could do if we would just get started. I'd choreograph, Eileen she would act, and Stephen was the writer. But then Stevie ran away and got bored. Eileen took a job in a store, while I became this drunken old whore. And we'd been swallowed by the cracks, falling so far down, like the rest of those clowns begging bus fare back. Swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks, swallowed by the cracks. We've been swallowed by the cracks.
Ooh, swallowed by the cracks. Oh, yeah. Oh, la 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 la. Ooh. Ziggy played guitar, jamming goods with Weird and Giddy and the spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became a special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo, like some cat from Japan. He could lick 'em by smiling, he could leave 'em to hang. Came on so loaded, man, well hung, Snow White tan. So where were the spiders? While the fly tried to braid our bones, just to be like to guide us, where we bitched about his fans and should we crush his sweet hands. Oh!
Get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired, but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. And tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High above or down below. When you're too in love to let it go. When you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Oh, sweetie. That's so beautiful. Get out of here. No, I mean it. You really did a nice job with that song. Wow. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. The late night. It's a midnight jam. It's a midnight show. Welcome to the midnight special. Welcome to the midnight special. And Mino Onagoshin. Good evening, everyone. We put together some songs, a little collection, and I was thinking about posting it on Facebook or YouTube. Yeah. But then we ran out of space on the computer. The computer is full. I know. Our computer is full. I couldn't save it, so I have to go live. Anyway, Mino Goshin. Good evening. Did I misspell Mino Ona Goshin? Are there 2 A's or just 1 A in Ona Goshin? I think there's just one. Yeah. Oh well. But Mino Ona Goshin, we Sani's here, sweetie. Oh, bonjour, we Sani. Bonjour, Niji. And John Redcorn. Bonjour, John. Should we give out some stars? Oh yeah, let's give a gold star for Wisani for being here first. A gold star for Wisani. And a silver star for John Redcorn. Silver star for John Redcorn. And Cousin Missy coming in third with the bronze. And a brown star for Cousin Missy. Bonjour, Cousin Missy. Mino Onagoshin, cuz. What are you still doing up? Why don't you go to bed already? Why don't we go to bed? I don't know. And Kaya's here. Arg, I wanted a star. Sorry, Kaya. We can't all be winners. Sometimes just not in the cards. So this song is for everybody, for all the losers out there, like Kaya. No, don't call her a loser. She's not a loser. Well, she's not a winner. Hey! And this is a black screen. Don't we have a song coming on? I think this is that big gap. Oh, here we go. I got no time and I don't know why. I got no tribe and you don't know why. I got no why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right, no, I don't feel the same way today. Today, I don't feel the same way. Wouldn't you rather live now in Minnesota? The days are short and the nights are colder, but she doesn't know because I never told her. I got no time, I don't know why. I got no tribe, you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right, no, I don't feel the same way today, and I don't feel the same way today. Oh, go ahead. You on a pedestal until you were no longer credible, and I put you up so you could let me down. Maybe it's finally time to leave this town. I got no time, I don't know why. I got no tribe, you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right, no, I don't feel the same way today, I don't feel the same way today. here we are, drifting on an open sea. Here we are, and then again we know, for all we know, I know, la la. All right, let's try this.
Hey little sister, what have you done? Hey little sister, who's the only one? I let you go for so long. I let you go for so long. I let you go for so long. It's a nice day, white wedding.
Hey little sister, what have you done? Hey, BOOZHOO!
BOOZHOO! This song is called Sweet Child of Mine. And it's by Guns N' Roses.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories, and everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, it takes me away to that special place. If I stayed too long, I'd probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. She's got eyes of the bluest skies, and if they thought of rain, I'd hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. Her hair reminds me of a warm, safe place where as a child that I'd pray for thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Where do we go? Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go now?
Sweet child of mine. Yeah. Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons on the guitar.
There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls, and window sills, tables and chairs worn by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place where I feel at home. Grizzly Bear knows Oni. Yeah, I miss her too.
Oh, sweetie.
Just got triggered.
Stupid.
I know it's stupid.
Wanna go outside and pray on it?
Oh, home for you, for me, until the days appear from me, from you, and now it's time to leave
And turn to dust. Maybe I should say a prayer. Asema. Get you manadu. Watapanani we asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco.
out in the garden where we planted the seeds. There is a tree as old as me. Branches were sown by the color green. Ground had rose and past its knees. By the cracks of the skin, I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the gust came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on me. Held on as tightly as you held on me.
Nusana wat wing avian. A bigish. Get you going to make it a news away. A bigish. Beat up. Mission to a buck. Get to get my man.
And
Bigish. Asian. Bigish. Oh, lucky.
for you,
Bigish for me.
for me,
Bigish enough. Oh, lucky you should come to. It is. So big.
from me, and now it's time to leave. Turn to dust.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
And welcome to BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here, sweetie.
Niemand Wyndham G-A-I-on Oma.
Today.
Noon Goom.
Mino Onogoshin. Good evening. These were just a few songs from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO collection. When are we going to have our greatest hits album?
Our greatest hits? I don't know.
See who else is here. John Redcorn's here, sweetie.
No way! BOOZHOO, John!
Hey, John. John says, my Niji's birthday right now. He's watching the show with me. John's, number one, shockingly enough, John has a friend.
Wow!
Wow, I had no idea John had friends. But it's his birthday.
Well, let's sing him a happy birthday song.
All right. Better yet, let's sing parts of it. Let's not sing at the same time.
Okay.
Minawana gozi
Dibikat, Minawana gozi.
dibik. Wait, that's happy night.
Dibishka.
Dibishka. Let me start over. Minawana gozi dibishka.
Minawana gozi Dibishka.
Minawana gozi dibishka.
Happy birthday, John Redcorn's friend.
And many more.
Nah.
Happy birthday, John Redcorn's friend. Hey, Sure Realist is back. Onagoshin. Yeah, there's two A's in Onagoshin.
Oh, good.
Mino Onagoshin. Good evening. Mino Onagoshin means good evening.
Hey, sweetie.
Yes, dear?
You have a phone call on line 2.
A phone call. Who would be calling at this time of night? Somebody better be dead. Caller, do you have any idea what time of night it is? Good evening, Nanaboozhoo. Oh, hey, it's the Count. Sweetie, it's the Count Von Count.
Well, BOOZHOO, Count, how you doing?
I'm doing very well indeed. It is a beautiful night, and that is when I get up and I go around town and I get my shopping done and that. What, you do your shopping at night? Yes, Walmart is open 24 hours. 24. Well, yeah, but why would you go to Walmart at this time of night? Well, I am a vampire. I cannot stand the sun. It burns my skin. Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting he's an actual vampire.
Yeah, if he goes out during the day, it'll kill him.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to be insensitive. What can I do for you, Count? Well, I wanted to learn the Ojibwe word for good evening. Oh, yeah. Well, you came to the right place. We were just talking about that. Mino Onagoshin means good evening. Mino Onagoshin. Good evening. Yep. And what else are we going to talk about today? Oh, thank you for listening. Did you listen to our songs, Count? You were singing a song? Well, we just played a bunch of music videos. Oh, no, I just tuned in not a minute ago and decided to call. Well, okay, well then this doesn't really apply to you, but to everyone else watching tonight, miigwech ka bizendawieg. I feel like I misspelled bizendawieg too, sweetie.
That's okay. Nobody knows.
Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. But Count, you didn't hear our songs? No, I did not know that you were a singer. You don't know I'm a singer? Natasha and I sing every day. I have not actually watched much of your program. What? You watch our program? Well, I watch when I call in, but then I turn it off. You see, I like to watch Sesame Street. Well, you can watch both shows. Oh, I suppose I could, but, you know, how much TV can one person take? Yeah, I understand. Listen, Count, I'm going to let you go because it's getting late. And I'm not really feeling the jokes. Me either. Would you like to learn how to say, I will see you again? Oh, yes, please. In Ojibwe, we say, Gi gawaba min minowa. Gi gawaba min minowa. Ha ha. And mino onagoshin, my friend. Oh, yeah, mino onagoshin. Count. Good evening. Or mino dibakat. I should have said, good night. Good night. Sleep tight. La-di-da-di-dum. Okay. Hey, guess what? What? It's tomorrow. We stayed up past midnight. This is so late for us. I can't believe it. Yeah. And when you're a kid, it's like a really big deal to try to stay up at night. And then you get past midnight and everyone's like, hey, it's tomorrow. We're up so late, we're still awake, and now it's already tomorrow. You're living in yesterday. It's Sunday. It's the prayer day. Anima egg. These are good. Thumbs up, ladies and trannies. And old Kaya. Give us a thumbs up, all you ladies and trannies. Gentlemen, do what you will. My kids won't go to bed, so we're having a midnight feast. Yeah, I wanted to play some kind of chill music in case anybody was... I don't like to rock out late at night. Oh, we're sort of easy listening. We're just this side of lullabies. Yeah. Some rock star. You're more like the lullaby singer, cartoonist guy. Yeah, I know. Oh, wait. Here we go. Mudwewe Chike. Music, sweetie. I got the music in me. You got the music in me? In you? Yep. Does it make you want to boogie? Makes me want to boogie. Mudwewe Chike. And a musical instrument, sweetie, would be then a Mudwewe Chigun. That's what I call a guitar. Mudwewe Chigun. But music's Mudwewe Chike? Yep. Mudwewe Chike. And gay Mudwewe Chike would be the village people. Yeah. So, there you go. And everybody else you've ever loved. Yeah, no kidding. Elton John, Queen. Bowie wasn't gay. No, he said he was, but he wasn't. Yeah. Isn't that weird? And after everything's been said and done, the guy that mainstreamed transgenderism and homosexuality, David Bowie, turns out to be a closet straight guy all along. Yeah. Nagamo in. There's a song. And if you want to sing, Nagamo. When I was on the drum with the boys, Benny used to go, Nagamoda. Nagamoda. Let's sing. And I'd be like, I don't know the songs. I'm just going to sing, Weda heya la di da. Anyway, so there's that. And Kaya goes, wait, Elton John is gay? Yeah, hold on to your hat. Sorry, ladies. I know he got married in the 80s to some girl. But turns out, he's gay. That's going to cost him a lot of fans. It didn't cost him any fans. Yeah, you know. Oh, and the guy from Judas Priest. Rob Halford? Yeah, Rob Halford's gay too. I would like to give a little moment of appreciation, give some credit to the 80s guys. Straight 80s guys. What do you mean? Well, you know how like all the gay singers in the 80s were in the closet? They're like, oh, we can't come out. And Joe Jackson, there's another one. Yeah, Joe Jackson. In the 80s, all of my favorite singers were gay, except for Kiss. Even Paul Stanley is questionable. Yeah, I know. But they were all in the closet, like nobody, you know. So one by one, we found we were kind of like Kaya, where it's like, what? Elton John's gay? Nah. Just because he wore glitter and stuff, we thought, no, he's the song, he's singing about girls. And then Freddie Mercury came out, and we were all like, what? Are you trying to tell me this band called Queen has a queen for a lead singer? And sure enough. Then there was Joe Jackson, stepping out tonight. And then Rob Halford. Now that was a test. When Rob Halford came out, were the heavy metal guys going to be cool with it? And sure enough, just like everybody else, nobody had a problem with it. Everybody was like, yeah, good for you. Rock on. I'm not interested in your relationships. I'm interested in your music. But all these gay guys in the 80s who thought that their careers would be over, they were fine. They really were. I don't think anybody lost any money from coming out of the closet. Yeah. Is there anybody still in the closet? Barack Obama. Barack Obama and Michelle Obama's. I don't know. Her real name is Michael, I guess, but they're in the closet. Are you in the closet? No. You of all people should know better than that. Get out of here. Are you in the closet? Some people are in the closet for things other than being gay. Yeah, there are closet singers, closet artists. Yeah. I was a closet artist and singer for many years. You guys wouldn't have believed it, but there was a time I was too shy to sing and too shy to share my drawings and stuff. And I would spend time alone by myself late at night like this, drawing, listening to music, playing the guitar, and dreaming. Thinking, wouldn't it be cool if I could be a singer? Wouldn't it be cool if I could be an artist? But I didn't dare tell anybody because I thought they'd tease me. Yeah. I'd been drawing, almost every day for about 10 years when people started to notice that I had all these comic strips and stuff. And it was always the same thing. People like, hey, you know what? You should do something with this. You really got talent. I'm like, what? You think so? I'm like, yeah, no kidding. I should do something. I'm trying. And they're like, you probably never thought of this, but have you ever thought about maybe recording yourself? And I don't know. Who knows? Like, yeah. Those are my dreams, but I'm in the closet. I dare not. Then you kind of come out to your family at first, Had to sit my parents down. Mom, Dad. Like, I got to tell you something. This isn't your fault. It was nothing you did. All right? Don't listen to Alex Jones. There's nothing in the water that makes people gay. Or people like me. People like you? Yeah, artists. It's like, Mom, Dad, your son is an artist. They started crying. My dad was like, no son of mine's an artist. You'll be a coal miner like your father and your father's father. And I was all like, but I want to be an artist. How dare you? They didn't say that. Nah. They were both musicians and artists too. They both played a little music. And my mom's a really good singer. And my dad used to be a great drawer, but he doesn't draw anymore. But I did kind of slowly start asserting myself, saying, yeah, you know what? Really don't care about any of these jobs I'm getting. I'll never care about any job because I'm just wired this way. I love playing music. I love singing. I love to be creative, whether it's drawing or making a video or something. Kaya says, yeah, remember when Rock was young? Me and Susie had so much fun. I remember when Rock was young. Me and Susie had so much fun. See, Elton is totally straight, and Elton is totally normal. Human name, and not made up at all. Elton. Yeah, what kind of name is Elton? Oh, I'm Elton. That's one thing I'd like to put my foot down finally. What's that? No more changing your name just because you're a singer. Nobody keeps their normal name.
You're one to talk, Nanaboozhoo.
What? What, because I was born Gordon Sumner? Yeah. Oh, call me the Edge. I know, I'll be Bono. No, you guys have names. What are your real names? I'm not going to call you the Edge. I'm not going to call you Sting. Ooh, Sting. Shut up with that. But now more people than not have some dumb, oh, I'm Lil Wayne or whoever.
Yeah, it's all dumb.
Give me your real name. Oh no, I could never be famous with a name like, that's always their excuse.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, next thing they're going to tell me that Paul Stanley, that wasn't his real name.
It's not his real name.
What?
No, his real name is Stanley Eisen.
I'm shocked.
You knew that.
Yeah, I knew that. I had to come out to my parents and tell them I'd eloped and gotten married in secret 10 years afterwards. They laughed. They just laughed. They weren't mad. Kaya eloped in secret. Here's a secret I was supposed to keep. My grandma and grandpa eloped.
Really?
Yep. My grandma swore me to secrecy, but she's gone now. I think it's okay. But it was like a big deal in the old days.
Yeah.
But it was the war. That was a crazy time for everybody. I used to use Amsterdamage as a DJ name. Amsterdamage. That's pretty cool.
Amsterdamage. That'd be a good name for a band.
Yeah, I'm going to steal that. Next band I'm in, we're going to be Amsterdamage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Amsterdamage. Ah! But
What are some band names you've had?
band names? Let's see.
Do you remember?
Oh, sure. There was Sweet Days,
Sweet Days.
only spelled like days and confused.
Okay.
Blissless.
Blissless.
Yep. October. Oh, and the last one was Ishi.
Ishi.
Yeah, now spelled the Ojibwe way. But those are pretty dumb names, actually.
Well, it's hard to have a good band name.
What do you think is a good band name?
Kiss.
Yeah, I guess that's pretty good.
Yep. Because it's memorable.
Yeah. You know what's a stupid band name?
What?
Tears for Fears.
That is stupid.
Tears for Fears. Oh, I'm crying. I'm so afraid. A man should never cry out of fear. That's you want to make other men just look away in disgust. Cry because you're afraid. A man can cry, sweetie.
Yeah.
If they're being stoic like that Indian and you see some garbage, then it's okay. One tear.
Just one tear?
Yep. You can cry when your pet dies. You can cry for, I'll give you 60 seconds when a friend dies.
Only 60 seconds?
Yep. Then you got to suck that back up and let it form a little cancerous ball in your stomach.
What's wrong with crying?
A man should never cry.
Can women cry?
Oh yeah, you guys can cry all the time. That's not even bad. A woman is an emotional creature. My uncle reminded me the other day when we were at the funeral. He goes, the Indians, they used to have what we called whalers.
Whalers? What, people hunted whales?
Well, there's that kind of whaler. But there used to be a kind of, usually women, who would sit outside the village and cry for the people, for the men especially, who couldn't cry over death. They would take it on themselves and they would cry for the people who couldn't cry. And they were known as wailers.
Like in Bob Marley and the Wailers?
Yep, Bob Marley and the Wailers. And, but I remember growing up, and before they invented antidepressants,
Yeah.
my mom used to cry all the time at like McDonald's commercials, songs, cards I made her, just anything. She'd tear up so easy.
Well, she was depressed.
Well, maybe. Or she was just, could cry easy. And I remember thinking it didn't even upset me. I never went, "Oh, Mom, are you okay?" I would just look at the commercial and go, "Oh, it's one of those Christmas commercials where the veteran comes home. And here's my mom crying because she's touched by it. She thinks it's beautiful." I liked it. After she got on the antidepressants, I kind of felt like I kind of missed seeing my mom cry.
That's insane.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's right. I like watching my mom cry. I'm a horrible person.
You're the worst.
Sharilla says, Ishi is cool. Hey, thank you so much. Yeah, Ishi has a Facebook page.
Yeah, huh?
We were a power trio. Yeah. Kind of miss playing with Ishi.
Yeah, I miss those late nights at the Big Tap Bar and Grill.
The Big Tap Bar and Grill in Cass Lake. We played some good shows there.
Yeah, we did.
What do you mean? You weren't there.
Well, you did, I mean.
Actually, it was Michael. Yeah. All right, sweetie. We should go to bed.
Don't you want to teach any more Ojibwe?
No, I think we'll save this for tomorrow. Should we come on first thing in the morning?
How about we do another night show tomorrow night?
All right. Tomorrow night is a prayer day, so we'll probably go on in the evening. Oh, we're going to go out to Norway Beach for church tomorrow.
Oh, that'll be fun. You gonna bring the puppets?
Yeah, I think I might. I'm in charge of the kids. And Tom said to bring the guitar, so we'll be... Tomorrow our church service is going to be out in at Norway Beach. And this is how dumb I am.
What?
So camping, there's a camping area on the reservation called Norway Beach. And I thought it had something to do with Norway, the country. And so I go, "Hey, Tom, how come they call this place Norway Beach? Everything on this reservation is dedicated to something non-Indian." And he goes, "No, it's the trees, dummy. They're Norway pines or whatever."
Oh, yeah, I suppose, huh?
Yeah. Oh, Norway. Oh, of course. That makes more sense. I thought like the Norwegians, that was like a Norwegian beach or something. Kaya says, "My mom got an antidepressant and then started drinking. And it dissolved her personality." Oh, yeah. I miss how she used to be before the pills. Yeah, I hope my mom doesn't watch this show, but... Yeah, it changed my mom's personality too. And, yeah, I don't know what I make of that. I've been on antidepressants and I've been off them now for longer than I was ever on them, but... I don't know. Sharilla says, "Even my friends say to me sometimes, and make me out like I don't understand them. You know what they say? They say, 'Ooh, Daddy, you're a fool to cry. You're a fool to cry,' and it makes me wonder why." That's the Stones.
Yeah. Even my friend. "Daddy, you're a fool to cry.
You're a fool to cry.
And it makes me wonder why."
The Stones are so great.
Yeah, they are.
I wish they'd retire already. I feel guilty watching them perform. They're so old. But some of those old songs are so good. Anyway. Hey, Soul Man's here, sweetie.
Well, BOOZHOO, Brian.
Hello, Brian. Brian wants to know what we're doing up so late. We're just about to say good night. Just about to say Mino Dibikad. Good night. Gotta get up and go to church. Gets me to the church on time. Church on time terrifies me. Church on time makes me party. Church on time puts my trust in God and man. Modern love. Modern love. All right, you guys. Let's call it a night. Unless you wanted to add anything. No, I'm tired. Let's go to bed. Hey, everyone. Miigwech. Gabizin Dawieg. Thank you for listening to our music. Madwewe Chike. Miigwech Gabizin Dawieg. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. The podcast. Come on, it's not turning on. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is Natasha. BOOZHOO! Me a Gigawabamin Minawa. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minawa. Sweetie, can you just teleport me directly into the bed? Yeah, aren't you going to brush your teeth? I don't have any teeth. Alright, one to teleport. See you tomorrow. Make it so, number one. No.